Hey, it's Dr. Max at Dr. Max Restoration Center. And today I'm using a new device called Pulsar from Trivellini. And this is, in my opinion, one of the most revolutionary development in field of hair restoration. First of all, you start with very ergonomic handle that very easy to use, especially on mega cases like we do today. It's suction assisted, so there's a suction that only opens when there is activation of the cycle. And the sensor located in this part of the handle, and you can regulate how much force you need to apply to trigger the automatic cycle of the graft dissection. The new interface allows us to control nearly every aspect of the multi-phasic dissection. And in this case, we use force react on. And this is the mode that I like to use most of the time. You can have a more traditional mode with the pedal activation, but since force react is so responsive and very predictable, it's probably one of the best features to use. You can see we have a rotation, mamba, and oscillation, and I can pre-program every single aspect. It depends on each patient's requirement. Having a suction-assisted harvesting is give you a tremendous advantage because you can clear your field very easily by applying, see, like this right here. You can clear your field, but also you don't have to use the pedal to activate the cycle. I apply it, and the cycle is automatically activated using the algorithm that you predetermined. In our case, I'm using rotation followed by mamba and oscillation. The actual cycle is being sequenced by the tissue resistance because we do have a sensor that responds to the level of force or resistance that the punch encounters. I'm really pleased with the new device from Trivellini. It improves nearly every characteristic of harvesting phase of the hair restoration procedure. It makes me work faster. Transaction rate on average between 1 to 2%. And this is what we like to see, especially during mega cases. And the most important thing, the grafts are coming out a good quality. I think it really helps to increase the graft survival rate as well.